raped him, he got very angry. He called his soldiers and gave them a very brutal order.
Soldiers! Go to Bethlehem and the nearby towns. Take all the boys who are 2 years old and younger.
And so, a very sad thing happened. Mothers and families were all crying because Herod took their boys.
Kita mo mga kumukuha na naman ng video. Ikaw na, sobra ka na. Kanina ka pa. Ako utak mami sa'yo.
When Herod died later, the angel appeared to Joseph again